Hey guys, Tractor Boy here. I'm making a video in my yard on my 2008 Honda CRF 100F. So yeah, let's get into it. Here it is. It's used, 2008. It's pretty nice. I paid $1,000 for it. The only thing wrong with it is the front brake lever's bent, which that's suspected when you drop it. And there's a little scratch right there from dropping it. Yeah, I've had it for about a month maybe now. I'm starting to get the hang of it. It's fun. It's nice. I'm just doing a review on it. Kill switch there. And I'm planning to get in a FMF exhaust on it. Just the tip. Getting the big tip. I was thinking about getting the mini exhaust that had the pipe and everything, but no, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to get the big pipe. Yeah, it has aftermarket grips on it, it's already on it. This sticker's coming off, but you can tell I haven't been rode very much because the front stickers aren't coming off. So yeah, I'll ride it here a little bit. That's my 2008 Honda CRF 100.